love this turn so much. Okay, we've got 25 rated turn. We're gonna downshift to third. Engine brake, head through the turn, head through the turn. We can make a pass on the inside. We're gonna move, pushing, eyes to the farthest point of that turn. We're not focusing on what's in front of us, we're looking at where we wanna go. Okay, that's it, that's it. You don't have to be scared. You just have to believe, baby. Just believe, just keep your eyes where you wanna go. I love that about motorcycling because it's it's such a parallel with life. If you focus on your goals, you're not worried about the obstacles in front of you. If you're focused on the obstacles in front of you, that's all you're gonna see, and that's all that's gonna terrify you, and it's gonna make you make a mistake because you're focused on the wrong things. We address danger ahead of time. That's why we look ahead. We see how to maneuver it so that by the time we get to it, we're good to go. It's a beautiful, beautiful parallel to life. And I do love my motorcycling for that. It's such a peaceful experience. Such a little peaceful experience, baby.